to the last video of this year. Same product I use always on this great New Year's Eve, and we got to put up some light. There you go. Perhaps we do not need it, but it'll perhaps make more shadows. Perhaps that's better. Pinacolada chillers, or perhaps I could try to put it in a bit of a centering motion here. Perhaps that's a bit better. All right, pinacolada chillers from Yaqi. Hard crope, nice menthol feel. So it's here mentholated. It does smell like a pinacolada. Great scent. Outfitted here. Just gone up the shower. Brush. Preshave first. The cube. Also use this every New Year's Eve, so that's kind of the standard-ish set. Got it right here in the bowl with runes. And now this is special, a bit of a tradition. I pick out what I enjoy most from the year, new stuff, and I use that. This brush is absolutely gorgeous. From PAA, the Phantom Aerolite. Gonna put it over here. And the razor. Bum, bum, bum. Great razor this. Kind of on the expensive side, but I think it's worth it. Stainless steel. Opens it up. There's a card on how to use it. And here it is. The leather protector, razor, and some blades. I haven't done a review on the blades yet. That's going to be in the future. Good. Just pack up everything. And let's do a pre-shave. Do another, and I'll see you in a bit. I'll just take off the shirt so it doesn't get any messy. Right. Look at this. Wonderful. And what I had on my face was the pre-shave. Also works as a roller booster. And no, we will not be shaving this yet any longer. We will grow out once more, but I just like lathering this bit. The feel of it. Alright, nice touch, feel of this brush. There you go. Alright, let's put in the blade. It does take quite a while, a few safety turns before it opens up. It does now. And we'll be using, right here, that's how it looks. A gentleman razor blade. Setting it on setting 6, the most aggressive setting. Close. And there's a lot of safety turns. It clacks and clocks. There you go. Cold water, let's go. Oh, that's aggressive, this. It's nice. Not uncomfortable. But there. We'll stop. So, what are you having for your New Year's Eve dinner? When I'm done here, I'm going to go down and prepare a roast. I'm going to slice it up in the middle, so that's holes in the sections there, and chop up some garlic. And rub it in with salt and pepper. Yeah. If it's uneven, we'll adjust it at a later shave with the scrum or rat. Let's see here. Nice. But I'm interested in, what do you have at your home, at your house? What do you do? We just, our family, we just stay together, you know. It's a small family here. I have a nice time. Alright. What do you do? What do you have to eat? Do you go somewhere? We'll open this up. And tune it down to setting 4. And there's a natural stop in it, so you can't King Kong it, or well, you can, but it's obvious when it stops. Kind of strange not shaving this area once you've gotten a few shaves in and gotten used to it. This right here, I did get a notion of how to avoid cutting it. Very nice, this. Now it's in the mid-range. And in my version, it is mid. On the mild side, but still mid aggression. Good. The gentleman blade is holding up nice, it's taking juice. So you want to grow a beard, just do it. But figure out what you want to do, and then do it. Alright, let's go. Nice. So nice, this. What's your New Year's Eve? The last shave of the year. I'll open this and just turn it down one setting. Setting 3. Nice razor this. Compact. On the bit of a heavier side. And has a long handle, like it. Very smooth shave this. I'm setting 3. There we go, very nice. Good. only slightly in a bit of a hurry. That's even getting everyone else ready. It's made it a bit of a, you know, on the last one. This is an exceptional razor, that's. Alright, that's it. I'll do a face wash and I'll see you at the boat shop. Very nice and cold. And this is going to grow up. This is 4 days. And yeah, we'll be keeping a close eye on it. Start looking like myself, perhaps. Alright. Before we put on the matching splash, we used PA Phantom Hermite, great brush. This is part of the favourite stuff from this year. Rune ball, exceptional leather ball. The usual nice favourite soap. This is Master Soap Creations doing. Exceptional pre-shave. Which is an amazing, no overhang razor. That's it. Great shave for the last bit of the year. Doesn't seem to have anything to add. But this, extremely mentholated this. So take good care. It comes out in a milky consistency. Here you go. And the hair's going to be done later. It's nice. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate everyone who watches these videos. It's very much appreciated. Have a happy new year. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Going down to prepare the roast. And have a nice New Year's Eve feast. Thank you all for this year. And see you in a few hours in the next